Today is Ian's birthday.
Hey! Happy birthday to you.
Birthday vibes. Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to another episode of the BOSH Boys vlog. Thank you for all of your comments thus far. Again, we really love receiving them. Drop us some comments down below. Let us know the kind of things you're liking in these videos, anything you'd like to see that we haven't done yet. And also, of course, to wish Ian a happy birthday. Happy birthday, Ian.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Yes, that's right, 35 years young today. And to be honest with you, I don't think I've ever felt fitter and healthier. And I have to accredit most of that, the way that I feel now, to vegan food and this new kind of exercise regime and getting loads of sleep and just generally feeling positive about the life that we live. And there's a blue sky on my birthday. What more could I want for? Today is what is formerly known here as the BOSH household as a cook day.
Please don't forget that the book, How to Live Vegan, is also available to pre-order. We would love you to grab a copy. It's full of tips and tricks for you if you're going vegan, but also a great gift for your family and friends if you want to explain to them why you took the decision to go vegan. Oh, look at this lovely package. There's so much waste. As much as we're grateful for receiving things, it would be nice if it didn't come completely covered in polystyrene. BOSH mushroom ketchup cocktail shaker, faux leather apron.
So that is video one in the bag. We have just laid waste to our second recipe.
Oh, it was absolutely delicious.
So the green pasta, the courgette baba ganoush pasta is now a thing, and the video will be coming soon. We would have filmed a little bit more footage for you guys just now, but you know what? I don't want to waste. I don't want to ruin the surprise. Oh, so the postman has just arrived. I have no idea what is in this lovely blue box. Shall we find out? Charles, what do you reckon's inside it?
I reckon it's a spaceship.
Spaceship, right then. Come on, come on. Hey! Happy birthday, me! Yes, birthday vibes are good vibes. I got a cake and everything. Woohoo!
I'm very happy today because we've got this new gimbal, which is literally following me around the office. How cool is that? We're here and I am working on writing lots and lots of words for our new healthy vegan cookbook. There it is, the beauty. For those of you who are interested, this is how we write the book. We just use Google Docs actually. And yeah, just graph, write, think, reference, all of that good stuff is happening right here. In case you are wondering what that strange bird song is, noisily, peaceful, chilled out, productivity noises. This app is really cool. It's just noisely.com and you can literally just like turn on sounds. So look, there's a thunderstorm. If you like the sound of a thunderstorm, turn off the leaves. There's a fire, turn off the fire. I can have a coffee shop if I want. All of the sounds. Now I'm sat here writing words and playing around with ambient noise. I wonder what Charlie and Ian are doing back at the studio.
Continuing on with the birthday vibes. Another package has arrived. Yes, mate. Look at these. Camo. Thank you very much, sister. We're working on a little satay recipe. So this is our satay sauce. I mean, it looks super creamy. Oh, goodness me. I tell you what, maple syrup, peanut butter, lime, Thai chilies, they work very, very well together. That is particularly delicious. Charles, what are you doing?
I am just currently chilling for 5 minutes, but I'm currently on our Instagram page.
And what's that? Is the guacamole, right?
That is our protein-packed guacamole,
Oh my
which we
days.
filmed and edited today.
Boom.
Look how cool this is. This is when you cut a bok choy bulb.
That is a tofu satay steak. That is really quite lovely. Good, solid day.
Yeah, we've absolutely smashed it. That's 5 recipes that are going to feed all you hungry vegans.
35th birthday is almost over. 35th year is just beginning. Thank you ever so much to everybody who sent us messages into the inbox today wishing me a happy birthday. Every single one of them has put a big smile on my face like this. And yeah, I'm super chuffed to have this kind of weird digital communication with you all. It's really, really fun. It's great. So thanks very much. It means a lot. All right, see you later, man.
Peace out, brother. See you guys soon.
In a bit. Bye.
Nice apron. Very workwear-esque. This is what I'm testing out today. It's the DJI Osmo Mobile 2, a gimbal. So it's meant to make all of your videos really steady and smooth, and it kind of follows you around with this really like smooth technique. You can see it's got zoom on the side, towards and back. This is like a little controller that moves it around, and this thing like swivels to make your camera super, super steady. It's pretty cool. And it's also gonna follow around my face. Or at least it should. Follow me around. No. The jury is out on whether I'm going to be able to use this gimbal on a regular basis. It's quite fiddly, and as you can see, whoa, it's not that responsive, but I might just be trying to work out how to make the settings work. Let's give it a little test now. As I'm testing out this gimbal, we might as well try some sexy Peter McKinnon style B-roll of our commute home, where we're going to surprise Ian with a cheeky takeaway. Around here back in the day. Birthday takeaway! It's birthday boy! So there you have it, that is another day with us in the Boss Boys vlog. Today we've been testing out the gimbal. This has been good fun. We've also been testing horizontal. Let us know your thoughts on how this video has gone.
And also, let us know your thoughts on birthdays in general. Are you the sort of person who sort of rejoices that you've got another year? Or are you the sort of person who's like, oh God?
So there we have it. That's another day of the Boss Boys vlog. We'll see you tomorrow. Bish, bash, bosh!